Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I am thrilled to introduce to you one of my new favorite products. This is the MORUS electric dryer and it is absolutely fantastic. I've experimented a little bit with it today. I dried a hat. I also refreshed using the refresh setting some denim, and I fully dried my soaking wet outfit, just a t-shirt and shorts, in under 15 minutes. So this thing is absolutely amazing. You can tell it looks ultra modern, very sleek, absolutely looks great in any environment. But I really am going to go out and say that this is especially perfect for if you live in a smaller space. This allows you to actually have a dryer in your home, no more laundry mats, no more clotheslines, but have a dryer in your home when maybe that otherwise would not have been accessible to you. Like dorm rooms, RVs, vacation homes, even, if you're living that van life or you just have a very small apartment, this is going to be a complete game changer, lifesaver, absolutely amazing for you. You're gonna be able to dry your clothing at home with an electric dryer, saving electricity, and it doesn't make your house nearly as hot as a big, huge unit does. It's going to collect water right down here, collects your lint on the inside, and otherwise just works, dries your clothes. It's perfect. The settings are all right here on top, and I will run through those with you guys. They first, you have a smart, which will actually estimate the time that it takes to dry your clothing. I used that when I dried my t-shirt and shorts, and it estimated 15 minutes. It was done a little bit before that, I believe. So it dries very quickly. You have a quick setting, shirt, silk, warm. This will keep the dryer on, so it keeps your items warm. It's especially good, I believe, for like socks in the winter time, your blankets, your sheets, things like that. The refresh setting, which I really, really like. I use that for my denim here. That is just a great way to freshen up clothing that doesn't necessarily need to be washed. Like maybe you just want to kind of dust it off, freshen it up, get some of those wrinkles out, and wear the item again. I use dryers for that a lot, so it's really cool that there's a specific setting just for that. There's also a setting for your shoes, hats, and ladies, this is also great for undergarments. It comes with this really cool wire rack that you can put attach right into the dryer itself. That way you can set your items like your hat, your shoes, whatever it may be, right on there. And when you choose that setting, the dryer bin doesn't actually tumble, so it'll stay in one place and just dry without damaging your items. So totally perfect for that. All dryers should definitely have that setting, but in my experience, that's pretty unique to MORUS. They're really have thought of everything. It's really awesome feature. Last feature on there is sanitize. So that is really cool, you guys, especially maybe if you work in like a hospital, or you've been around maybe a relative that was sick, or you went to a nursing home, something where you don't want to bring germs home to your family. That's absolutely amazing to run that sanitize setting and just kill germs, sanitize everything, and feel a lot safer. And like you're not bringing icky things into your home. You actually have a way to just pop them in the MORUS and sanitize. Really cool. Like I said, I did my shorts and t-shirt. You'll see on screen, they were soaking wet, put them in, and less than 15 minutes later, they came out super dry. They're actually still really warm from the dryer. And I will say, pretty wrinkle-free. I really think this is a game-changing product for if you're someone who just doesn't have room for a traditional size dryer. Like I said, those RVs, vacation rental homes, maybe your dorm room, your tiny apartment, your tiny home, any of those things, the cabin, whatever, you definitely need to get a MORUS. I love the different settings. I love that you can do hats and shoes. I'm going to use that, for all of my hats, shoes, undergarments, things that I don't want to be tumble dried and damaged. That's absolutely fantastic. As far as the sound goes, I would say the noise level is about on par, and I'll play you guys that right now. So yeah, you see it's pretty quiet. It's about the same as your as my normal full-size dryer. But the difference is the MORUS is lightweight. I put it on this table all by myself. It's not super heavy. You can definitely move it from location to location, room to room, just one person. Try doing that with a normal dryer. And like I said, this fits on my table. It's a small unit, and you can put it basically anywhere. So I really think this is absolutely fantastic. If you are looking for something like this, MORUS is not going to disappoint. It's really a great product, you guys. I'm going to put all of the links and everything in the description for you below, so definitely check those out. You are going to be so glad you did. Adios, amigos.